guys, this is how to do the flying tornado kick, which is this. First, you're gonna lift this knee and you're gonna rotate really fast into make that like 360 and then add a hop like this. Just practice that for a few times. Now and then you put it down. Lift this knee. You're gonna add a high kick, and that's how it comes in like this. That's how to do flying tornado kick. Check out my YouTube channel. It's Mikael Season 6. I just made it. Check out the videos for fun. Subscribe. Bye.